Today we are making chicken and waffles.
I was actually kind of happy when I found out because this is my first time actually cooking chicken and waffles.
So my name is Chef Vaughnn. I am in my 6th semester right now at the Culinary Institute of America. Today I've been invited out by the CFK Foundation to cook for these beautiful kids. We cooked chicken and waffles today. Do we know what disease that chicken can give you? Raw chicken? Salmonella. Perfect. So we always want to make sure when we're doing chicken, when we're doing any proteins, that we clean our area. So we did the chicken in batches, and then they broke off into groups to do the waffles of 2 groups, pairs. So everything was nice. Everyone helped out. Everyone helped me clean. We were cutting strawberries. Everyone helped marinate the chicken and did the waffles. It was a lovely experience.
My favorite part about today was like helping and like meeting some new people in there and like communicating with others for help.
Nice. You see, there's no cracks either.
Nice chef. I think the chef is a nice chef because he is like happy to cook the food. He happy to work with us, having like different ideas. Not different ideas, but like different way of doing stuff. Because usually when you measure it, you do the exact measurements, but he just say cook it with love and just add how much you want.
I think the kids were amazing. Everyone had a unique way of telling how they like cooking. I think cooking brings together everyone, essentially. Good food, good conversations bring together good people. So that all of them had something that they wanted to share with me. They wanted to learn more about me, and vice versa. I wanted to learn more about them as well.
So the Colin F Foundation made it so that we could do this What's Cooking. We love What's Cooking, right? Like we love to cook, we love to be in this kitchen. And they made this possible. Today, you guys see how there's little plaques around? These are all people that have supported What's Cooking in the past. And today, we are honoring the Colin F Foundation to say thank you. So, let's do a little drum roll. And let's cut the ribbon. Good drum roll.
It's very helpful for kids who like really need help. They lead you in a good pathway to like get a job, and like after school program that can help you with like your work. And I really think it's a good program. I think Future Ready is a good program since they have us do experiences like that. They have us do a lot of different experiences like one of these, and I like experiencing new things.
Usually I always try to tell some history behind the cooking today. Like the fried chicken that we were making, I was telling history about that and just the breakdown, making sure that everyone's cooking the chicken to 165 so we don't have anything, any salmonella in the dish or anything. You can put syrup on it. We made a fresh compote today for the students. People made chocolate chip waffles, blueberry waffles. They put caramel on top and different toppings for them that they liked. If you're watching this, I just wanted to say to always follow your passion, always do what you want to do. Never let anyone guide your future, because at the end of the day, you have the pen to your life, so you might as well pick up that book and write it.